I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need a stable power source. Once plugged in, you avoid power-saving limits. First, turn off auto brightness so manual changes hold. Next, open the Display or System Preferences pane. On laptops, use FN plus brightness keys if present. You're doing this to override sensor decisions and power policies. Remember, slower changes help eye comfort. After the panel opens, pause and notice current slider position. Then get ready to increase in controlled increments so colors and heat remain predictable. Once you see the slider, raise brightness by about 10% and inspect the screen for glare, washed whites, or hot spots. You'll notice contrast shifts first. Next, tweak color temperature to balance blue light versus warm tones. This keeps skin tones natural. If your display supports advanced calibration, run the Wizard or a calibration app to set gamma and white point precisely. Make sure to let the panel stabilize for a minute between changes, so measurement and perception stay accurate. Now finalize by saving your settings and testing with real content. Watch a bright video and scan high-contrast text to confirm visibility. If battery life matters, consider leaving adaptive brightness on when mobile versus off when plugged in. If the display won't get brighter, restart and update graphics drivers, check the power plan for maximum performance, and inspect cables or connectors. Those are common causes. If hardware still resists, you may need a technician. Try the simplest fixes first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.